Well, it's an extraordinary day, and you know it's spring when? Now you fill in the blank there your own way while I show you something very special. There's Father Goose, there's Mother Goose, and look who's next to Mother Goose. Isn't that amazing? They've just arrived today, and I guarantee that by the end of the day, or maybe tomorrow, when they've all hatched, she's going to push them off the roof. This is the green roof above my wood shed. See my wood? And they'll go down to the pond, and they'll pretty much disappear. So wonderful, wonderful adventure we've had with Mother Goose for the last 5 weeks or so, and here we are. Family time. It really is spring, and there's something to be joyful about. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com.